Hey guys, it's me, Elise, and I hope you guys are all doing well. So I'm actually super excited to do this video. Like, I've been trying to get my hands on this type of wig for a long time now, and to be real with you guys, this type of wig has been my go-to hairstyle for years. So now that I see that it's been trending and it's popular now, I was like, let me get one to see what's up. Okay, but this is actually a headband wig, and oh my god, I've been wanting to get one for a long time. So I'm super happy that I finally have one. This particular headband wig does come from a company called Wig Encounters. I will leave all the information in the info section below. My wig is the style code HW001. Mine is 100% Indian virgin hair, and it's in a natural black color. Mine is 16 inches long and 150% density. This hair is quite thick, so they do offer various different densities, so be sure to check that out. The texture that I have is the Kinky Curly 3C4A texture, so it really does mimic natural hair to the exact T, and you guys are going to see this later on in the video. But right now I'm just going in and shampooing and conditioning the hair, same as usual. You want to make sure that you do wash the hair, because a lot of you guys love to comment saying that, oh well, my wig didn't look like yours, because you didn't wash it. you left out a very crucial step. You didn't wash the hair. So I'm going in, I'm washing the hair, just making sure that, you know, the hair is clean, because, you know, right now with everything going on, wash your hair. So I just went ahead and used my Silicone Mix shampoo and conditioner. I allowed the conditioner to sit on for about 30 minutes, because when you're dealing with curly natural hair, it is going to be dry. So be sure to co-wash or condition to add some moisture. So once I finished shampooing and conditioning the hair, I just like to lay the hair down for a few hours, just so that we can kind of get those curls to pop. Probably within the next 5 hours or so, you can put it up on a canvas block so it can continue to dry, but be sure to lay it down just to kind of get those curls to pop. So here is what the wig looks like. Once again, it's one of those headband wigs, and it does have like one of those little elastic velcro straps, and it has 3 combs, and that is what it looks like. You guys can see the curls, super natural and gorgeous. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair underneath a stocking cap. I was debating on whether I should or shouldn't, but because the wig does have combs, you do want to protect your natural hair, so put on the stocking cap. So now I'm just going in and laying my baby hairs. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. When I tell you guys that I love easy wigs, this wig literally took me 5 seconds to put on. I didn't have to worry about the lace. I didn't have to worry about got to be glue. I didn't have to worry about any of that stuff. I just put the wig on. If you're a beginner, definitely be sure to start off with a headband wig. You would thank me later, okay? So one thing that I found that was extremely helpful is folding that band that's connected to the wig in half, just so that it could fit underneath your headband and be discreet. You don't have to see it sticking out. It will look natural, like you grew your hair yourself. Definitely fold that band in half. So this is what this first style is looking like. I am loving it. It's giving me, you know what, I'm deep conditioning my hair and I gotta run errands, but I'm not trying to go out with a plastic cap on my head look. So definitely, if you want to, you know, look cute when you're running out, even if you're going to a party, even if you're going to work, you're going to school, definitely get one of these headband wigs. It's super quick, super easy. So now I'm switching up the style, and I'm using the second headband that was also sent to me. Now you guys may not get the same headbands as I have. Definitely look at what they offer. So I went ahead and put that one on. That one was a little bigger, so it definitely covered up the band on the wig. And now I'm just picking out the hair. Furthermore, if you found that you have some snags and some tangles, go in with a water-based leave-in conditioner or even water. It'll definitely melt those snags and tangles away. And so now I'm just picking out the hair even more. I wanted some big dramatic hair. I also created like a small little part on the side just to kind of give further volume to this look, and I am loving it. you can't tell me this is not my natural hair. You cannot tell me. But yeah, I am absolutely loving this look. The only thing that I do regret that I didn't take care of while I was filming this video is that there's a few elongated curls that's kind of sticking out towards the bottom of the wig, and I didn't even notice it up until I began editing. But definitely shape your hair. If you have to layer it, cut it, definitely take a risk. I didn't take one. I noticed that they were kind of hanging out, but I didn't think anything of it up until I was editing the video, and I was like, ugh, I wish I cut those out. You guys can kind of see them sticking out in the back. It's like an eyesore. Cut those out, guys. But yeah, other than that, this hair is beautiful. I absolutely love it. You guys definitely check out Wig Encounters. I'll have all the information located down below. Use coupon code TWINS to save an additional 15% off of your purchases. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.